Hello and welcome to another DIY. So, I was scrolling through Instagram the other day and I saw this amazing two-piece. Somebody wore it to prom. I don't know who it was, but I thought it was so cute. I had to recreate it. So, all you need is some fabric, whatever fabric you have. Right now I only have the red, not red, purple fabric, so I'm going to be using that. I don't know what that silver material is called, but I got it a while back ago, so I'm going to be using that. This DIY is super easy. All you need is a sewing machine or a needle and thread, and then that material right there. I should find out what it's called. I'm too lazy right now. It's 2 o'clock in the morning. Not even 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock while I'm doing this voiceover. But anywho, first thing first, I'm gonna see how I want it to flow on my body, like how I want the top to shape or whatever. So I'm just gonna cut it to where I feel like if it's not gonna be too long or too short. Just cut it. And it's super easy to cut. All I need is a scissors to just go through it. That's it. Super easy. Oh, and you're also going to need some chains to hold up everything and those thingies, which I do not know the name of. I basically don't know the name of anything that I'm going to be using in this video. So, my bad. Next step, just cutting. Super easy. So this is how the top look after I cut it. So now next step is to line up the chain to make sure that it doesn't fall too low on me, to just make sure that it just fit right. Because if you use too much chain, then it's gonna be not saggy. It's gonna be really loose. It's gonna expose you. So I'm just trying to get it right. Just measuring it up. So this purple fabric I got from Amazon. So first thing first, I'm just putting it in half, and then I got this pencil skirt from Missguided. I'm just going to trace the pencil skirt all the way down so that I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, so that's why I use that skirt. Then I just cut it, then I just sew. Yeah, I'm using my sewing machine right now to just, I fold over a little piece where I'm going to put my elastic through, and I'm just sewing up the waist. That's it. It's going to be a lot of sewing, a lot of mistakes. I'm still trying to get the hand of using the sewing machine because this is my first one and I really don't know what I'm doing, so there was a lot of mistakes, but I finally got it. It wasn't really that complicated. I don't know what happened. I was just way too in my head trying to figure everything out. So while doing this, I got hungry because I kept having to redo everything. So I ordered some McDonald's. That's how the skirt is looking after I sewed the waist. Now I'm going to sew the sides together, and this is where the mistakes start happening because that fold over where you see the pin at, that's too much fabric that I'm sewing up together, so I'm going to have to redo it. And this is where I use this really tiny scissors to take out the threads. That took forever, and my hands were killing me after all of that. And I think I did it like 3 times. I messed up 3 times, so I had to redo this 3 times. So all you need is just a little bit of fabric. That's it. So this is how the top turned out. Super cute. The top was really easy. That was the easiest thing because there was no sewing involved. Okay, so this is how everything turned out. I just added this necklace piece that I had. And then this thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but focus, please. There it is. So I just hook it in, and that's basically how I did the top. Then I just did the back the same way so that it wouldn't be floppy at the sides of my arms. And the skirt turned out good. I actually add an elastic around the waist, and I just sewed everything up. Just sewed the side, and I sewed the edges so that it wouldn't look messed up because I didn't cut it evenly. But I do like how everything turned out. It turned out good. I do like it. And I love this train at the back. So cute. It does have some thread on it, but it's velvet, so it does catch anything that is there. But other than that, I love it. This top is so cute. I'm gonna have to make a bottom for it because I still have more material left over. So a cute little skirt or whatever. So it looks so good. Bam, bam. I'm really comfortable with this. I'm not worried about if I'm gonna expose anything because the side wires make everything good. But that is it. Let me back up a little bit so you guys can get a full view of this magnificent 2-piece. My bed is a hot mess, so if you see the camera roll over there, don't even mind it. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm just finishing up with this video. But this is so cute. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I love doing DIYs, and obviously there will be many more to come. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So that's basically the end of the video. If you stick through all of that without even silencing this video, I appreciate it. I know I'm really boring. There's really nothing to say. My DIYs I usually do on my channel are super easy, so it's not really much to explain. I just tell you what to do. I'm pretty sure nobody follows these instructions, but that's what I do. I hope I get better at these voiceover, but I'm trying my best. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.